believe in? Anything in your heart?
Well, I believe in wind and air and love and refrigerators and plates and stuff like that.
Okay, so hang on.
Animals and people.
Good.
But most of all, I believe in my heart. And that's the most important thing about people, because they have a heart and that's how they know knowledge and math, and they know when stuff are true. And they don't care if people think they're weird or bad. They just believe in themselves and make each other
How should we treat
move on in life
How should we treat everybody out there?
kindly.
Doesn't
Not
matter.
like the old days where people are like, black guys sit in the back, while the cool guys, white guys sit in the front. Yeah, no, not that.
Why is that wrong?
Because black people can sit wherever they want. But back then was back then.
Was it a
So
good
what
time? Was it a good time in history or a dark time?
Dark time. Very, very dark blue.
Could we learn from our mistakes?
Of course we can. Once I peed in my pants, and I do not like doing that anymore. It's just a total work of washing and cleaning clothes.
Good point. So what do you believe in? What's the one most important thing that you believe in?
I believe in myself. And
What do you believe about yourself?
I believe I can try something until the end of it. And then I would never give up.
Hey, what if you fail? What happens?
If I fail, keep trying again. Till,
How should we treat other people?
Kindness. Kindness is the best word in life.
What if somebody treats you poorly?
You treat them poorly back.
What would you think of somebody who treats you poorly?
They're rude and they don't have a kind heart. Very dark inside them.
And do you have any final thoughts before I close this video?
Yes. Many people believe that, many people are good people and kind in their heart, and other people are dark and black. They're bullies and bad guys,
And
robbers, and steal money and stuff. But I don't like that. I like peace in our world. And my dream is everything can go peace and no fighting anymore.
I like that.